Hi guys, this is Courtney and I'm shooting this video. I'm coming to you from Charlotte. I'm here at a networking event and I wanted to talk a little bit about the power of not only networking but leaving an impression on people. So stay tuned as I talk a little about how it's good to leave an impression on folks and what outcomes can come from it. So in the meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and stay tuned. So this is like day 2 of my networking event here in Charlotte. I'm at this really nice Omni. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hotel. It's pretty cool. It's like a few $100s a night. It's really, really nice. And I wanted to shoot this video and talk to you guys about how to leave an impression on people and how good it is to leave that impression on people. So I'm at a networking event and it's like you meet a lot of new people. Um, you encounter new faces. You introduce yourself. You're giving out your business cards and whatnot. But you're also reconnecting with old people. So like yeah, you hadn't seen like for instance, I hadn't seen some of the people in like one person. I hadn't seen them probably like 3-4 years or so, but they still remembered me. So it was good that like that first time I encountered with them, I left a great impression on them. Like first I thought like, oh, maybe this person didn't remember, and they actually did. They remembered my background and where I came from, everything. So I just want to tell you guys how important it is just to leave a great impression. Introduce yourself. Tell that person about your background. Like, what do you have to bring to the table? What value can you add? And even if you bring just a little bit of that personality, like bring the real you. You know what I'm saying? Like tell people what you're about and what you can bring and how much of an impact you can make into this network marketing business or whatever business that you're in. And if you leave that great impression on somebody, people remember that stuff. Like they really do. And even if you add just a little bit of your personality, just like be real, people remember that kind of stuff. So I noticed tonight that like I've ran into some people that, like I said, I didn't think they remembered me, or people that I would look at and I'm like, I think I remember that person, or maybe not, or people I was just like completely clueless about, and they came up to me like, "Hey, I remember you. Like I met you so so back in like Houston, Texas, and we have met up about this." And I'm like, "Oh, okay." And I remember you did this and that, and it's like, wow, like I did make a good impression. So remember, always make a good first impression to people, and people will always remember you, and people will even go as deep as to what you've had to offer, what you had to bring. And that's how you make connections. That's how you grow relationships. That's how you build rapport in this business. And it doesn't even necessarily have to be this business. It could be anything, or just in general. So make sure you do that to yourself, and make sure you sell yourself, and make sure you add to what is out there. Like, what can I bring to the table to make a situation better, or my business better, or even just to help somebody else out if this is people that you're meeting, or like how can I help you in your business, or how can I um, mentor you, or whatever your their beliefs or goals are, or whatever. So always make a good first impression. Make sure you do that, and people will remember. People will follow you. People will still connect with you. People will still grow relationships with you. And even if they don't, like maybe you run into them later on with that, like at another event, and they'll remember you. That's great. You want that. You want that. You want that impression. And then that day that you make it big, they'll be like, "Hey, I remember that person. Like I remember Courtney, or I remember Stacy, or whatever, so and so like that. Like she's a great person, or man, she's a great business owner, or I always knew she'd be successful, or something like that." So I hope you guys really like this, and I challenge you to get out there and introduce yourself to somebody, get to know somebody, pitch the you, or pitch what you have to offer to whoever you're meeting. Okay, all right, guys, it's late. I'm tired. Oh my gosh, we got to get up again. at like 5:30, 6 o'clock, and we got breakfast at 7. We've been going hardcore all day. I literally just got back to my hotel at like 10:30. So I am tired, and I wish you guys a good night. And stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and a like. Shoot me a message or give me a comment or whatever. You got questions or anything, just connect with me. Don't be afraid. Like, literally, keep it real with me. Like, Courtney, I got a question for you. Or, I need help with this. Whatever. Just send it to me. Okay. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Have a good night. Bye.